I get asked about the Sony 65-inch mini LED QLED for KA lot. Today I'm giving you the complete picture. When it comes to buying a new TV, it's easy to get caught up in specs and features that sound impressive on paper but don't necessarily deliver in real life. Let me tell you why I prefer this one over those other popular 65-inch 4K TVs out there, like the Samsung QLED series for example. While they might offer similar picture quality, the Sony's mini LED backlight gives it a significant edge when it comes to contrast and brightness. But enough about competing with Samsung, let's talk about what really matters, how this TV performs in your living room. For me, the standout feature has to be its mini LED brightness and contrast, precisely controlled by XR backlight master drive, which delivers authentic contrast that looks incredibly natural on screen. Having tested this, I can confidently say it's transformed the viewing experience for my family. Another key benefit is the stunning picture from any angle, thanks to X wide angle and X anti-reflection technology. No longer do you need to sit directly in front of the TV to enjoy a premium visual experience. Now anyone in the room can get a beautiful picture without glare or reflections getting in the way. This feature alone has been a game changer for our family movie nights. But what about when it comes to actually streaming content? That's where the Sony's powerful TV processing really shines. XR processor intelligently enhances every scene in real time, boosting color, contrast, and clarity. I found this particularly noticeable with action-packed movies or sports games, where the picture is more vivid and detailed than ever before. And then there's the streaming apps. What a blessing to have them all in one place. With Google TV, you can access your favorite services like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, Apple TV app, Crunchyroll, and many more with just a few clicks. Plus, with AirPlay 2 and Chromecast built-in support, streaming from your phone or tablet is a breeze. Lastly, the movies included with the Bravia TV, Sony Pictures Core, are a lovely bonus. With 10 credits to redeem on latest release movies and 24-month subscription on hundreds of classics, you'll have no shortage of options for movie nights at home. In my experience, this TV delivers remarkable picture quality and an authentic cinematic experience yet unparalleled by its peers. The combination of mini LED brightness, XR backlight master drive, and powerful processing makes it a true standout in the 4K market. If I had to give you one piece of advice, don't be put off by the slightly higher price tag. If you found this helpful, subscribe. I test so you can buy with confidence. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.